Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe. Today we will watch a video on Lava Z66 smartphone, very red model which I recently purchased. This is not an unboxing video but thought of sharing the features. I purchased this from Flipkart for 6,377 rupees. Got an additional discount of rupees 1000 from Flipkart from the offer price of 7,377 rupees. The package looks simple and clean. The model number is on top and the graphics look neat. The hashtag Proudly Indian is printed on the side. The MRP is 8,499 rupees inclusive of all taxes. Now let's go through the main specs. This model, Berry Red, is having 3GB RAM and 32GB internal storage. We have dual rear cameras of 13MP plus 5MP along with a 13MP selfie camera. We have a 6.08-inch HD plus display. It supports 4G dual nano SIMs with a dedicated memory card slot. It runs on Android 10 and powered by 1.6 GHz octa-core processor. Battery capacity is 3950 mAh. It weighs just 162 grams. All the main sensors are present and has an FM radio. Fingerprint and face unlock options are also available. Due to the small size compared to other phones, it is easy to hold. It comes with a pre-applied protective screen guard. The back case is not provided but has a thin protective film. The berry red color looks really attractive. On the left side, we have the SIM tray. On the right, we have the volume rockers and the power button. The 3.5mm headphone jack is on the top. On the bottom, we have the micro USB port and the speaker grills. The dual cameras with LED flash look good. We can also see the fingerprint unlock button conveniently placed. Now let's open the SIM tray. It supports two 4G nano SIMs and a micro SD card. The brightness seems to be sufficient and the UI is also clean. Now let's see what's in the box. We have a normal charger with output 5V and 1500 mAh. The time to fully charge is approximately 3 hours and 15 minutes. We also have a micro USB cable. As expected, a SIM ejector tool is also provided. There is no back cover or earphone. So far the phone has performed good and I think this is a good buy within this budget and spec. Also it is made in India. I will provide the purchase link in the description area in case you want to buy. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe, like and comment. We'll meet soon with another interesting video. Till then, goodbye.